This video is for advanced technicians. If you don't feel like it, you can see which board you need to replace with a new one. Start with open of the back cover. Need to find the main power board. Quick check of the belt and motor cable connections. Bottom left, it's the main power board that controls the motor. Remember all cables connections and remove it. This is the number of the part for research and buy new one for replace. If you have decided to repair the board at the component level, perform this inspection and this repair. The module that controls the rotation of the motor and manages the 3 phases is located under the cooler. You have to unsolder the legs to remove. On the small board below there is a group of 6 transistors. In pairs they control the 3 phases. Very often the problem lies in them. You need to measure them with a multimeter, and if there is a problematic transistor, replace it with a new one. Since the transistors are identical, any deviation from the same values of the others during measurements suggests a problem. In order to be able to unsolder and replace the transistor, you need to peel the board off the cooling, otherwise it takes a lot of the heat from the soldering iron and becomes impossible. Check the board after removing the defective transistor. Now let's test.